resonated with Nina so much, especially when I entered college, because I study in an art school. So I'm studying in interior design currently, and it's quite challenging course. And I entered thinking, yes, I can do it because I've been with art school before, I know art, only to find out that, oh, there are far more better people and I have far more to learn and I have far more room to improve on. So quite a lot of moments of doubt and a lot of moments of, can I do it? Am I worth it? Am I worth all the struggle? Am I worth all the sacrifices? And yeah, just hearing Nina's song, knowing her story, seeing her deal with failure, seeing her having to overcome that fear of failing again, it's somehow endearing and calming to me because it's like someone else has gone through it and I know I can too, because I can hold that as my inspiration that, hey, they did it, so can I.
They're not worried about me. They all count on me to succeed. I am the one who made it out. The one who always made the grade. But maybe I should have just stayed home. When I was a child, I stayed wide awake, climbed to the highest place on every fire escape. Yes, less to climb. I got every scholarship, saved every dollar, the first to go to college. How do I tell them why? I'm proud about how, with my eyes on the horizon, just me and the